Forms app allows you to invite your team and work together when creating your forms. In this video, you will learn how to send invitations to your team members in a few steps. First of all, you will need at least a basic plan to access the team collaboration feature. Then, once you're on the dashboard, click on Team Members at the bottom of the sidebar. Here, you can see your current team members and invite new ones by clicking on the Invite Members button. Select which folders you want to share, enter their registered email address, and choose an access level. That's it! Once you press the Invite button, they will receive an invitation email and see the folders you have shared with them. One important note here is that the invitations you have sent will be reflected in your team members' quota, like accepted invitations. However, you can always cancel an invitation and free up your quota. Now you know how to invite your team members to Forms app and work together. If you'd like to learn more about team collaboration on Forms app, watch our other tutorials where we explain other team collaboration options in detail.